Hey everybody, Tim Schmidt here, and I have got a strange, unique addiction. I am absolutely addicted to helping people win in their business. Everybody that comes to me, they come to me frustrated, and I come in and I inject enthusiasm and I inject direction. That's what I do. You know, people call me a marketing expert, people call me a marketing and advertising strategist. There's all kinds of unique names for it, but all I do is I just bring enthusiasm to businesses and I give them direction. The funny thing is that most of these business owners already know where they need to go. They already know what they need to accomplish on a day-to-day basis, and they're already trying to get there, they just don't know where to start. And that's why I'm launching my new program called 321 Ignite. Now, I can only take a couple of people at a time, okay? If you've ever tried to onboard a new marketing client, it is next to impossible to do more than 2 at a time unless you've got a massive team behind you and you can keep plugging multiple people in there, because it takes strategy, it takes focus, it takes really kind of geeking out about the product and just like falling in love with it. You sleep with it, you look at it, you study it, you dream about it, you put it into different areas that it's not supposed to be, and you just try to look at it in a way that no one has ever looked at it before in order to start to find a new strategy behind it. Because currently what you're doing isn't working, okay? Or it's messy, or unpredictable, or things are coming at you too fast and there's too many platforms and you just don't know which direction to take. That's 321 Ignite. Why do I call it Ignite? Because there is a passion within you that's laying behind the frustration. Trust me, I've been there. It's laying behind the frustration. You just want this to go. You want this to grow. You want this to work. You want the messiness to go away. You want predictability. You want a plan. You want a strategy. Well, you know what I'm doing is I'm taking on just a couple people at a time, and I am giving you what I call the 321 Ignite. I am going to ignite and inject enthusiasm into your business by giving you that plan and strategy. Now, normally this is a for-fee service, okay? This is normally $1,500 in order to meet with me 3 times, once a month for 3 consecutive months to just cover that strategy, cover that plan. And I'm doing this at no charge. But I'm only doing this for this couple of next months because I gotta kind of find a fix for my addiction. Right? I want to connect with some new businesses. I want to create for new businesses. I want to look at new businesses with new perspectives. I want to challenge myself. I want to stretch myself out of the box. And I want to move into new industries and new realms. But I need your help. You have to contact me. You have to let me know that you're one of those people. Put your hand in the sky and say, hey, Tim, get in touch with me. I am one of those people where I am confused. I am lost. Or maybe it's just, I want a plan. Or maybe it's just, hey, let's just talk and figure out what the heck is wrong with my website. Why am I not getting a lead, right? For everybody, it comes with something so unique and so different. If you were the chief editor of Vogue magazine, you wouldn't go into Vogue and say, hey, what are we gonna put in our magazine next month? And it's 1 week before. But yet, why do so many of us business owners treat it that way? It's because we just run out of time. We don't give it our focus. We don't give it our attention. We need to be ignited and get some enthusiasm back into the group so that others around us can collaborate and participate with us. And that's what I want to do for you and your team and your organization, whether you're a team of 700 or you're a team of 1, okay? You have purpose for your business. You have a dream. You have a vision. You're in pursuit. That's what drives you every morning when you wake up. And I'm here to help you take that plan to the next level. All that you have to do to take advantage of this is just opt in. Just shoot me a message, shoot me an email, give me a phone call, use the form below. I don't care what it is. You just find a way to reach out and connect with me, and I will throw your name in the hat. And from that, I will select individuals at random and start pulling people out of that hat and start working with you and signing you up for the 321 Ignite. Because my goal for you is to help you become a fire starter. You've got a passion, you've got a burn, you've got excitement about a product or service, and some of these products are quite honestly crazy, right? And I go, how in the world does somebody make money or make a living off of doing this? And then I fall in love with it. It's the weirdest thing. It is so ironic. It's just so interesting. Okay, anyway, back to what we were talking about. Get registered, plug your name in, throw your business down, drop me a message, let me know what it is that you just want to connect. You don't have to give me the big sob story. You don't have to give me all the nitty-gritty detail. I don't care. Just throw your name in the hat and drop your business and your location. Now, if you're far away, you're at a distance, it doesn't matter. You don't have to be in Minnesota where I'm headquartered. Matter of fact, I've got clients that are down in Arizona, California, Seattle, Washington. I've got people that are out in Maine. I've got people in Florida. They're all over the Midwest, in Nebraska, Texas. It doesn't matter where you're from. That's irrelevant because there's this little thing called Zoom or Skype or Facebook Live. They all work and they're great platforms and we can connect. There's even such thing as called a telephone, just in case you didn't know. We can call each other. What I do is for 1 full hour, I give you a full hour focus of just saying, what is it? And I listen. After that hour, after I'm done listening, after I'm taking in all the information, then I spend about 35 minutes just going through nitty-gritty details and my perspective of what I think I would do and where I would go, okay? And then we start to collaborate for the last 25 minutes and we say, how could we take the two visions to what I have, what you have, and how do we collaborate them together? We build a game plan. And you take that game plan after that 2-hour session, and into our second session we go into month 2 and we start to look at what were the milestones along the way. And I do what's called first down mentality. I say, we aren't going to try to take this football and bring it all the way to the end zone in one play. It's great when you can do that, but the odds of making it from the 1-yard line to the goal line is very slim and very far in between. What I do is I say, let's just carry the ball 2.5 yards, 2.5 yards, and just keep moving that ball just little bits at a time so that by the end of each play, we are moving that ball to past the 10-yard mark and we're getting a first down. We can live to play another play. Okay, and so I'm gonna help you throughout that second month, just keep moving and making progress. And as you make that progress that you're looking for, then you can start to see the result of that. And by month 3, you're gonna be so excited because you're gonna finally have some traction, you're gonna finally have some movement within a plan and feel predictable, feel calm, lose the anxiety, get rid of the, what am I gonna do next? So that if you were like the editor-in-chief of Vogue magazine, you'd be like, oh yeah, next year, I already know that in the spring edition, we're doing this about the East Coast, right? You already are well ahead of the game and you know what promotions you're gonna bring and you know what is predictable and you're still gonna keep that spontaneity and bring some new fun things that you roll out every single day that are kind of on the whim that you didn't know you were gonna do anyway. So what I want you to do is just get yourself registered. Let's start the conversation. That's all I want to do here. I am addicted to helping businesses win. I inject enthusiasm, I inject a plan, and I help you to take your goals and your dreams to the next level. If you found this helpful, get yourself registered and then also maybe check out some of these other do-it-yourself type videos. I love kind of just laying it all out there and showcasing what others have done, what I've seen done, and just other do-it-yourself marketing tips. So again, those are right here, and make sure you get subscribed to this channel because I release some cool stuff all the time. So again, Tim Schmidt, Agency 511, over and out, onward and upward.